On our previous videos, I showed you how to use patterns using different tools and how to create new patterns. In this time, I will show you how to download and install new patterns. In order to do this, we go to Internet and search Photoshop patterns. You will find a lot of pages. I am clicking on the first option, which is one of the ones I use mostly, brusheasy.com. Once there, we go to Patterns section. Here we find all sorts of patterns. We choose one. I like this one, Carbon Fever. I press download, save, and here it is. Right-click, show in Finder to know its location. Now we extract the file and send in my file to the desktop. Inside here, I will find a file .pat pattern. Installing this pattern is really simple. We simply go to Photoshop. Let's change the text here to fibra de carbono, carbon fiber. Let's install our pattern now. I press Pattern Overlay and I click on this menu, which is also found here. Or when you go to Edit, Fill. So I click on the gear icon and we simply click on Load Patterns. Now we look for our pattern on the desktop and we open it. Forward texture has been loaded. I just choose the one I like it now. I will use one for the word fibra and another one for the word de carbón. So this is it. You simply go to Load Patterns on the Patterns list menu. This is the way to download and install patterns.